My neighborhood. There are some stores in my neighborhood. There is one mall in my neighborhood. There are some schools in my neighborhood. There is one church in my neighborhood. There is one playground in my neighborhood. There are a few restaurants in my neighborhood. There are a few supermarkets in my neighborhood. There are some buildings in my neighborhood. There is one movie theater in my neighborhood. There are some train tracks in my neighborhood. There are a lot of traffic lights in my neighborhood. There are many crosswalks in my neighborhood. There are some streets in my neighborhood. Are there crosswalks in my neighborhood? Yes, there are many crosswalks. Are there restaurants in my neighborhood? Yes, there are a few restaurants in my neighborhood. Are there hotels in my neighborhood? No, there aren't any hotels in my neighborhood. Are there bakeries in my neighborhood? No, there aren't any bakeries in my neighborhood. Are there schools in my neighborhood? Yes, there are some schools in my neighborhood. Are there car repair shops in my neighborhood? No, there aren't any car repair shops in my neighborhood. Are there banks in my neighborhood? No, there aren't any banks in my neighborhood. Are there traffic lights in my neighborhood? Yes, there are many traffic lights in my neighborhood.